everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist on Etsy. A couple of weeks ago I came out with a digital kit with vintage bird images and journal cards. There's kind of a combo kit, and I didn't have time to print it off and make a video to show you what's in the kit. I'm just now having time to do that. It's been crazy here in Maine in our life the past couple of weeks, and things are settling down, so wanted to show you what's in the kit. The kit includes 8 images, vintage bird images on the right side, and on the left side are journal cards. There are 5 journal cards. So you can print them and then, where did they go? You can print them whatever size you want and then glue or tape, hold on, there we go, glue or tape the journal card to the back and have them be journal cards, or you can use them individually. I'll show you a couple of ways that I printed them. So there are 4 8.5 by 11 sheets that you get. The first one is this image. These are all from the public domain that I redigitized to make them adequate for your junk journaling or mixed media or mini album projects. But the birds are just beautiful, vibrant colors. And then there's a journal card on the left here, 2 journal cards on the left with a little feather on it. Here's another couple of birds. The rest of the journal cards are longer, so I thought that would be more flexible for you. So you can have them, you can print them out any size you want. You can always cut them if you need them to be smaller. But this little guy here is my favorite bird in the kit. I love owls. But look at the vibrant colors. And this is sort of a greenish journal card. Here's the next one. Hawks and a kingfisher, I believe. Don't quote me on that. And then this one I made more of a bluish journal card in case you wanted some color. But look at the images. Now when I printed him off, I cut off his beak by accident because I forgot to turn my borders off. But he has a full beak there. So if you want to make them into journal cards, this is kind of what they can look like. You can make them, you can print them smaller, and then like I said, on the back you can attach the journal cards. And you can stick these into your any project that you want. Now, if you follow me, you know that I love to print my digital kits onto tea stain paper. It makes them look so vintage. And once again, I forgot to turn off the border on my printer, so I'll probably cut the border off. But look at how beautiful they look when you print them on tea stained or coffee stained paper. Just so vintage looking. Look at the owl. I did decide to print him a little bit smaller. I didn't want him filling the whole page because I'm going to probably be decorating around him. And these guys, this looks absolutely stunning on the tea stained paper. And there's this guy. And this one I printed, I spilled some water on him, but that's okay. It's a junk journal. And again, I printed him a little smaller. I didn't print them all full size. Look at the vibrant colors in him. So the kit is only, I forget, a little over $2. It's very affordable. And I think it's just beautiful. It gives you a lot of options if you want to make a journal. I'm actually doing a junk journal right now with Edith Wharton's, one of her books Wingborn, and I'm going to be putting that in here and doing a journal with a lot of bird images in it, and I'll show that to you when I finish it. So head on over to the Scrapologist if you'd like the digital kit. Make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss any kits that I come out with, or any junk journal supplies or mini albums. Thanks so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye!